So today we're out here in Lathrop, California in the River Islands community, but we are specifically at the 55 and up community out here, which is called Webb. They are built by Pulte Homes, which is a solid builder, and the home that we will be touring is called the Serenity. It is 2,321 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a beautiful home. I think you're gonna like it. So I'm Andre, your Cali Valley relocation realtor. I toured homes for you, whether that's new or resale. I provide you with a ton of great buyer tools, and I cover the good and bad of Central Valley cities on this channel. If you stay to the end, I will cover the floor plan for this home, as well as a snapshot of what the new home buying process actually looks like. Now, let's get into the tour.
I got you. This is the official family anthem. You know the ones you grown up with. If you love your family, stand up and say,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Woo. Hey daddy, I got you.
your
brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
I got you. Woo. Hey daddy, I got you. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Daddy walk in the house, looking a mess, stress. Mom show him love, quick reminder he blessed. Bro on the games like he a big shot. Sis texting about new clothes she got. Sound familiar? It ought to be the real deal. Yes, it's your family. The loved ones repping where you come from. A bond recognized from the birth to the slum. We play different parts, but in the same band. You the front, we represent the back of your hand. It always hold those, that's our biggest fans. As the one place we stay in demand. We all play a role in keeping the fam whole and seeing success together as I go. So when I call they name, do as I do. Point to them and tell them, yo, I got you. Yo, brother.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
Yo, brother.
I got you.
Yo, sister.
I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la
Yeah.
la la.
Now life is a fight that will test your bond, but we super glue connected till life is gone. And no matter the struggle from the path we on, dedication stayed there, lines are clearly drawn. So we must be real, despite how the fam feel.
Careful,
'Cause our words can scar like steel. Protecting those we love is ideal for my fam. Now will I give my life?
sure will.
So it's time, take us away and we drift. We may only unite when one of us goes stiff. And yet, the ones we love to death at times wanna choke them till nothing's left. But we fam, so begrudge ain't how we get down. Disrespect my heart, we going round. Speaking on my fam sick, you got the flu. See a doc while I tell my fam, I got you.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
yo brother,
Yo sister, I got you.
hey
Hey
mama,
mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la la la. Now we saying la la la.
Here's a little bit more information about the community. There is a HOA of $193 right now. There's also a Melrose tax throughout the whole River Islands community, which is at 1.99%. And you are looking at 9 different floor plans in this community, and they are all single-story floor plans. It has a beautiful clubhouse that they just finished. It is now accessible to anybody within the community. I actually did a video on it, so if you want to be able to see that at the end, you can either go to my channel or you can click on the link that I'll be providing to you for the next video, so you can check it out for yourself. Very beautiful place. We are still in the really early stages of building this community. They're building about 578 homes, I believe is the exact number. There's a lot of opportunity out here to be able to relocate from the Bay Area or wherever you are to move into this community and really enjoy what luxury lifestyle is like for the 55 and older. So if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of the properties out here you're thinking of buying 2 days from now or 2 months from now, either way, it doesn't matter. I'm here to support you and help you get through it. Now click on one of these 2 videos to get more information about the community, the clubhouse, or just learn about River Islands in general. Reach out to me anytime. I will see you in the next video.